Hi everyone, this is Rio from CalSouth Systems. Microsoft released 2023 Business Central Wave 1, and this new features will be released from April through September 2023. So today let's go over the new features of Productive with Microsoft 365, reporting and data analysis, and user experience. For these three parts, I picked up things that I thought was interesting as usual. For Productive with Microsoft 365, Business Central seamlessly integrates with best-in-class Microsoft 365 apps and services such as Outlook, Excel, Word, OneDrive, and Teams to bring data into flow of work. And reporting and data analysis updates, it gives users access to all their data in an easily consumable way, and users can view already analyzed data in your Business Central. And for user experience, Business Central offers a broad portfolio of user interfaces enabling users to work with their data from anywhere and any device. Microsoft helps boost efficiency when working with actions and list of records. They also empower users and consultants to personalize the field on a page by choosing from existing table fields, reducing the time and effort to optimize their workspace. So, Business Central now makes it easier than ever for administrators to set up access with Microsoft 365 licenses so that they can choose which employee can view specific business data shared with them in Microsoft Teams without requiring Business Central licenses. So for new guided setup, a step-by-step wizard explains and accelerates setting up Business Central, Microsoft Teams, and a Business Central Admin Center. And it recommends security setting to improve data governance and provides quick tips and assistance for admin to verify their setup immediately. And the page is discoverable from within the Business Central web client, such as Tell Me Search and Role Explorer. And end users and data analysts can analyze data from list pages directly in the client without the need to open the page in Excel or run a report. The ability to analyze data directly in the list page raises the bar for what you can do without having to switch applications. Still allows you to do more in reports, objects, Excel, Power BI, or other data analysis applications. To analyze data, you can simply switch to analysis mode, and the analysis mode opens the data in new experience what's optimized for data analysis. When a page is in analysis mode, it's split into main data area and field modifier area, and users can use the main data area to interact with the data. For columns that are summable, you can easily get descriptive statistics on the set of fields by marking them. And users can use the field of modifier area to control the data to show and its format. On the menu, you can choose fields to show or hide. And on the list page, as a starting point, you can set filters to limit the data. Maybe you want to analyze a certain group of customers, or maybe you want data from the current year only. And you can also choose a page view to perform this action. And you don't have to do this pre-filtering steps, but go to analysis mode will upload all the data in your browse. And when your file is already at hand, you can save time by dragging that file onto the file upload dialog in Business Central. And users' experience improved, and now the file upload dialog in Business Central has been enhanced with the clear drop area where users can drag and drop a single file. And no matter which business process requires uploading of documents, users can choose between dragging a file or using a more traditional file picker. And this also made easier for developers. This enhancement applies only to the file uploading dialog and therefore doesn't introduce any new controls that developers can work with to create custom file drop area on the page. So there's no changes to the file handling contract. No matter how the file is uploaded, the same validation, size, and format constraints continue to apply. including allowing only one file at a time to be uploaded and processed by AL code. And by this release, Microsoft has unlocked the table fields so that users can add them to their pages to personalize their workspace without having to resort to extensions. By adding existing tables field to the page, users can self-serve and reduce time to value while cutting implementation cost. And this frees up time for pro developers to focus on more rewarding implementations. And here's some features listed that web clients users can do. They can add a field to card page, list, and most other page types. Choose from existing fields on the source table that powers that page, including fields from table extensions, and drag and drop fields or columns into place, adjusting the content around them for an optimal experience. Apply customization for themselves or anyone in the specific role. Understand which fields are hidden on the page and which field can be newly added from the table, and apply the change for themselves or for anyone in a specific role. Last, Microsoft added flexibility to the ways you can personalize menu to suit your preferences. In addition to the action bar at the top of the pages, you can also personalize action on subparts in the content area. Here are some lists that you can do from the personalized setting. So users can subpart action bar show more actions, more options by default with the manage group pinned by default, allowing you to access the most important action with one click. You can now move actions between groups. For example, the shipment line action can be moved from the function action group by using personalization. And you can move action groups and split button between group and into the root of subparts action bar. For example, the show lines with issue groups has been converted to split button and promoted to the root of the subparts action bar. Also, the item availability action group has been promoted to the root of the subparts action bar. And pressing the Alt key on the keyboard allows you to access key tips for action on the subparts action bar, which enables easy keyboard access to action that you are used the most. And the Clear Personalization menu on the subpart now contains options to clear personalization for only action, only field and columns, or all personalizations. So we have covered Microsoft 365, reporting and data analysis, and user experience updates. And this is the last video for 2023 release Business Central Wave 1. So if you'd like to see more new features on this release, I'll put a link of Microsoft document below so you can go from there. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you like it, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.